What if I told you that right now, sitting on used car lots and dealer floors across the country, there are 5 luxury SUVs that owners almost never complain about? Not pretty good, not pretty reliable for the price. I mean vehicles that Consumer Reports flagged, that real owners praised, and that independent mechanics call nearly bulletproof, and almost nobody is talking about them. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 5 luxury SUVs with virtually zero known problems according to owners. We're covering Consumer Reports scores, real owner testimonials, actual maintenance costs, and exactly what makes each one nearly perfect. Stay until the end because number 5 is the one that surprises almost everyone. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is about cutting through the noise and getting to what actually matters when you're spending real money on a vehicle. The luxury SUV market is flooded with options and flooded with hype. Brands spend millions making you feel like their latest model is flawless, but owners, they tell the truth. Forums tell the truth. Repair bills tell the truth. These 5 vehicles earn their spots on this list the hard way, through years of real-world ownership data, consistent Consumer Report scores, and owners who say the same thing over and over. I can't find anything wrong with it. Let's get into it. Starting the list at number 1, the Lexus NX 350. If you want to understand why Toyota's luxury arm has such a cult following, this is the car to study. The NX 350 sits in the compact luxury SUV space, a segment absolutely packed with German competition, and it just quietly dominates reliability metrics year after year. Consumer Reports gave the NX 350 a reliability score of 5 out of 5. That's the top score, placing it among the most dependable vehicles in its entire class. That's not a fluke. Lexus has appeared at or near the top of reliability rankings for more than a decade, and the NX is the model that keeps that streak alive. But what do actual owners say? On Edmunds and Cars.com, owners repeatedly highlight 2 things: how trouble-free ownership has been and how low the running costs stay. One owner with 47,000 miles wrote, "I've had 0 unplanned repairs. My only dealership visits have been oil changes." Another said, "I came from a BMW X3 and the difference in reliability is night and day." Now let's talk real-world maintenance costs, because this is where the NX 350 really separates itself. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost for a Lexus NX is around $551. Compare that to the segment average of over $900 for many European competitors. Over 5 years, that gap can mean $1,700 to $2,500 back in your pocket. What makes the NX 350 nearly perfect? It starts with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a unit shared across Toyota and Lexus platforms with millions of hours of real-world testing behind it. The transmission is smooth, the electrical architecture is conservative and proven, and Lexus builds quality control processes that are genuinely industry-leading. The only knocks you'll ever hear? Some owners find the infotainment system dated compared to rivals, and the interior could feel more opulent for the price. But if near-perfect reliability is your benchmark, the NX 350 is the gold standard in this class. Number 2, the 2019 BMW X3. Now, I know what you're thinking. BMW and reliability don't usually belong in the same sentence, and for most BMW model years, you'd be right to be skeptical. But the 2019 X3 is a genuine outlier, and it deserves recognition. Consumer Reports rates the 2019 X3 as one of the most reliable model years in BMW's recent history. It earned high predicted reliability scores, particularly in powertrain and major systems, which is exactly where BMWs have historically fallen apart. Why 2019 specifically? Because BMW had worked through the early teething issues of the 3rd-generation X3, launched in 2018. By the 2019 model year, the software, the B46 4-cylinder engine, and the transmission had all been refined and stabilized. Owner feedback on the 2019 X3 reflects that. On forums like Bimmer Post and owner reviews across major platforms, the 2019 X3 consistently draws comments like, "Nicest car I've ever owned with the fewest problems," and 35,000 miles and the only thing I've done is oil changes and tires. Real-world annual maintenance costs for a well-maintained 2019 X3 sit around $800 to $1,000 per year, higher than the Lexus, yes, but significantly lower than other BMW models or newer X3 generations. The key is buying one with documented service history and staying current on the few items that matter: oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and coolant system inspections around 60,000 miles. What makes the 2019 X3 nearly perfect? BMW's driving dynamics are still best in class in this segment. The 2019 X3 gives you that connected, sporty feel that Lexus and Volvo can't quite match, and it does it without the nightmare repair bills that haunt other BMW years. One honest caveat: buy certified pre-owned or inspect carefully. The difference between a well-maintained 2019 X3 and a neglected one is significant, but find the right example and you've found something special. Number 3, the 2021 Porsche Macan. Yes, a Porsche on a reliability list. Stick with me. The Porsche Macan is one of the most underappreciated reliability stories in the luxury SUV segment. For a brand associated with performance first, the Macan punches far above its weight in reliability, especially the 2021 model year, which represents the most refined version of the first-generation Macan before the all-electric second generation arrived. Consumer Reports data on the 2021 Macan shows above-average reliability scores, with particular praise for drivetrain and body integrity. J.D. Power's 2021 Vehicle Dependability Study backed this up, placing Porsche among the top brands overall. Owner testimonials are striking. Macan owners on Porsche Garage and Reddit's r/Porsche consistently report low-drama ownership. Comments like 40,000 miles, zero issues, just maintenance appear regularly. One owner compared it directly to a previous Audi Q5, which shares platform DNA, and said the Macan felt dramatically more refined and trouble-free. Annual maintenance costs for a 2021 Macan run higher than the Lexus. Expect $1,000 to $1,400 per year from an independent Porsche specialist rather than a dealership. But here's the key: major repairs are rare. You're paying for routine, scheduled maintenance, not surprises. What makes the 2021 Macan nearly perfect? 3 things. First, Porsche's engineering tolerances are exceptionally tight. Parts fit better, systems integrate more cleanly, and build quality is genuinely exceptional. Second, the 2021 model came with updates to the PDK dual-clutch transmission that addressed earlier shift quality concerns. And third, Porsche owners tend to maintain their vehicles obsessively, which means used examples are often in excellent condition. The 2021 Macan also delivers something money can't always buy in a reliable car. It's thrilling to drive. That combination of near-perfect reliability and genuine driving excitement is rare, and it's why Macan owners are among the most loyal in the luxury SUV space. Number 4, the Volvo XC60 T6. Volvo doesn't get the reliability credit it deserves, and the XC60 T6 is the clearest example of that gap between perception and reality. Consumer Reports has consistently rated the XC60 as a recommended buy, with reliability scores that comfortably outpace several German rivals. The second-generation XC60, introduced in 2018 and running through the current generation, has been refined steadily, and the T6 powertrain, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with both a turbocharger and a supercharger producing 316 horsepower, has proven remarkably durable in long-term use. Owner feedback across VolvoCars.com forums and third-party review platforms paints a consistent picture. XC60 T6 owners report low failure rates, excellent dealer support, and a vehicle that simply doesn't develop the persistent gremlins that haunt some competitors. Owners with 60,000 to 80,000 miles repeatedly describe their XC60 as one of the most trouble-free vehicles they've owned. On annual maintenance costs, the XC60 T6 runs roughly $700 to $950 per year for routine maintenance, reasonable for a European luxury vehicle. The twin-charged engine does require attentive oil change intervals, and owners who stay on top of that schedule report minimal issues. RepairPal gives the XC60 a reliability rating of 4 out of 5, with lower than average repair frequency. What makes the XC60 T6 nearly perfect? It excels where it's hardest to excel simultaneously. It's safe, refined, reliable, and genuinely luxurious, without requiring you to choose between those qualities. The interior is arguably the best in class for materials quality and Scandinavian calm. The safety technology is class-leading, and the Sensus infotainment, while occasionally critiqued, has matured significantly. There is one honest caveat. The XC60 T6's complex power plant benefits from Volvo-trained technician knowledge. If you own one, find an independent Volvo specialist or use the dealership network. This isn't a car to take to a general shop. Beyond that, the XC60 T6 is one of the best-kept secrets in the luxury SUV segment. And at number 5, the one that surprises almost everyone, the Genesis GV70. Genesis is Hyundai's luxury arm, and most people still think of it as a value brand trying to play luxury. Those people are wrong, and the GV70 is the proof. Consumer Reports named the Genesis GV70 one of the most reliable luxury SUVs in its class, with top reliability scores that outrank BMW, Mercedes, and Audi equivalents. Let me say that again. A Genesis outscoring German luxury brands on reliability. That's not spin, that's the data. Owner testimonials are some of the most enthusiastic in this entire category. GV70 owners on Genesis forums and across Reddit are almost aggressively positive. Best car I've ever owned, 0 issues at 50,000 miles, and I don't understand why more people aren't talking about this, are phrases that appear constantly. There's a palpable sense of discovery among GV70 owners. They feel like they've found something the market hasn't fully recognized yet. And on maintenance costs, the GV70 is exceptional. Annual maintenance runs approximately $450 to $650 per year, among the lowest in the luxury SUV segment. Genesis also offers industry-leading coverage, a 5-year 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and complimentary maintenance for the first 3 years. For a luxury vehicle, that warranty coverage alone is extraordinary. What makes the GV70 nearly perfect? Start with the 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the same core architecture used across Hyundai and Genesis platforms with hundreds of thousands of real-world validation hours. Add Hyundai's obsessive quality control processes that have quietly brought the brand to the top of reliability rankings globally, and then wrap it all in a genuinely beautiful driver-focused interior that has won design awards for good reason. The GV70 also drives better than most people expect. The chassis tuning is sharp, the steering has genuine weight and feedback, and the 8-speed automatic is seamlessly smooth. If you're someone who wants near-perfect reliability, lower costs, a beautiful vehicle, and a warranty that actually means something, the GV70 isn't just a consideration, it might be the smartest purchase in this entire segment.